The world is changing faster than ever. Everywhere we look, we see the rise of AI. It's natural to feel anxious, to wonder, will I still be needed? Will my work still matter? Technology can mimic our logic, but it cannot replace our soul. It can process data, but it cannot feel. Instead of fearing the change, let's return to what makes us human: our empathy, our creativity, our intuition. AI can provide answers, but it cannot provide connection. It cannot hold a hand or offer true comfort. This is not the end of work. It is an invitation to evolve, to learn how to use the tools without losing ourselves. Throughout history, every major shift has brought fear, but it also brought new ways to flourish. Don't let the noise of the future drown out the peace of your present. Focus on what you can control. You are more than your job title. You are a unique spark of life in this vast universe. Find your peace in the age of AI. Welcome to the Peaceful Equation.